Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and finally I've got new music for the show, so that's something I did this weekend. Yeah. And I've been running low on noodles, so I've been having to kind of grok around for stuff that I haven't reviewed before, obviously. Here's one of them. This is Chun's Shoyu ramen, Japanese style, because honestly, have you ever heard of I don't know, Peruvian style shoyu ramen? I don't know. I think it's kind of weird. But anyways, let's see. How do we do this? This is like grocery store stuff. Add everything in, fill to the line. There's a line, I guess, that says soup only. Soup only, right there. Okay. Okay. So this should be interesting. I'm always kind of suspicious of these microwave varieties. I always put down a paper plate just to make sure they don't explode everywhere, because they do have the tendency of doing that. So there's our toppings. Here's our soup base. They had some interesting ones. They had a vegetarian tonkatsu. I don't know. These are made by CJ's. That stands for Seoul, and they're out of South Korea. It's a pretty big South Korean brand. But these are made for the US market, so God knows what we're going to be in store for here. Hopefully it's good. I'd be okay with that. But this takes 2 minutes in the microwave, and then we should have some wonderful results. That's the idea, right? Here's our noodle. And right about now, the Ramen Raiders Bottom 10 Instant Noodles of All Time 2022 edition is dropping as if it were tepid. The soup only. Into there. Yeah, that's a little bit more. Alright. So you put that in and then you loosely cover it. And hope for the best in terms of explosive nature. Again, I have my safety paper plate, and then you cover loosely. Okay, so 2 minutes. And we're gonna do power level 1, 2. All right. So here we go. And gosh, what's going on? Yesterday was Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to the mother of my children, Kit. And I got her some garden gnomes, so the garden is protected from, I don't know, animals. And yeah, Japanese style shoyu ramen soup bowl with cooked ramen noodles, savory broth with corn, carrots, and green onions. Okay, I can get the green onions, but the corn, the carrots, corn, it's not miso. I just don't know. I guess we'll see. I'm hopeful. I want to see something that's decent. But yeah, we got new tunes for the show. The bottom 10's dropping this morning. Yeah. I got some peach mango insanity here. Getting caffeinated. That's good. I enjoy that. They're guinea pigs. They've taken their little hay thing and knocked it over. They've really been getting really rowdy in there lately. So perhaps during the show you'll see some guinea pig rowdiness today. As with always, when I come up with new music for the show, I'm always like, did I pick one that's like absolutely annoying or more than one? We'll see. All right, it's done. Look at that. Convenient. I hear the smooth sounds of the host of Supermarket Sweep in the living room, Mr. David Ruprecht, talking. They're watching the Supermarket Sweep. Okay. This, I'm not sure how this is gonna go. It's warm. Spaghetti, celebrity, charity, fun. I gotta say, I really like Supermarket Sweep. And I was looking for I saw this thing, it was like true Hollywood story about the guy from Supermarket Sweep. It was like it was a satire on the show, but it was kind of funny. People talking about, if I got the wrong price on Cheez-Its, I was in big trouble. Yeah. Noodle most definitely does not embrace the broth. Here's the broth. The broth is very surprisingly weak. I'm a bit agog by that. Shoyu, huh? Well, let's give it a go. I'm hoping for amazingness. I can at least make it look nice, but the carrot, what's that all about? Why? The corn. I know. It's made for the US market. That's kind of what happens. Oh, they like corn and carrots there. We'll just put it in. But you said authentic. Yeah, this just really isn't what I would call wondrous. It's not horrid. But yeah, wondrous, that's a stretch of the imagination, ladies and gentlemen. This is, I would give this a qualified, yeah. These aren't cheap either. I think these are like $3 a pop. And we got some mung bean sprouts. And some spring onion, aka scallion, aka green onion. We've got a little, no, we'll do that. God. Wow, I can't get the Laogan Ma open this morning. That's bad. Where's the thingy? Where's the... I need the thingy. Oh my, I can't find the thingy. There we go. I'm going to use a little bit of this Laogan Ma to make it so it has more flavor. Yeah, I can't remember if I put sesame seeds in it, but it certainly looks like I have not. But look at all that corn. God. And carrot. Just weird. Alright, Rotato, do your thing. Alright, cool. For the next one, we're going to have this Baija. This is out of China. This is Aquan Boss Sesame Spicy and Sesame flavor instant vermicelli. So, yeah, you'll see that on the show tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.